it's Lorenzo from Inception Auto Detailing, and what I have here behind me is a Tesla Model Y SUV. So what we did is pretty much straightforward, and this was actually a fun one to do because we do this quite on a routine basis, so turnaround time is relatively quick for this car. So other than the prep work that we did on this car, which is mandatory for all of the cars, this car has been protected on the high impact areas with the XPEL Ultimate Plus 7mm thickness film. And so for the ones who is a bit budget oriented, the 7mm is more than enough for your everyday driving here in the Greater Toronto area region, but also you're protecting the high impact areas such as your front bumper, your hood, your fenders, your mirrors, your headlights, your fog lights, and also your rocker panel. So those are the high impact areas which is more prone to wear and tear. You don't have to entirely wrap your vehicle unless it's in your budget to do the entire car, and I only recommend doing the full vehicle protection if you're keeping the car for a very long time. So the popular combination is this with the high impact areas, but also we protected this car with the 22 PLE ZX Mystico Elemento ceramic coating, and that coating is good for 5 years as long it's been well maintained and the maintenance is consistent. So here it is, and enjoy the car.